Welcome back to the e-learning online course on designing e-resources. Interactive drag the words exercises using H5P. Using H5P, we can create interactive drag the words exercise. In this video, you will learn how to create an interactive drag the word exercise using h5p.org. For preparing this video lecture, I used Windows 10 operating system, MS Office Home and Student 2016, both are licensed versions, and free open source screen recorder software. Let us start. I have already logged in to my account in h5p.org. You can either click this try out H5P or you can click this contents to go to the next content. Let me click try out H5P. I want this drag the words, create text based drag and drop task. I am clicking it. When you open any of the content, you will have tutorial and example also. If you have time, please play around and then see what is the tutorial given over there. Let me go for the title, which is to be there. Therefore, I am going for types of triangles. Now it is given drag the words into the correct boxes. You can change it also. Okay, here you have to give the total one. Now I already typed to avoid wastage of time. I have already typed it and I am putting it. Now I want this equilateral triangle should be the dragged part. Therefore, before and after you have to put one star. Before and after that, with what are the words you want it to be dragged, they should be put one star at the front and one star at the end. One star at the beginning, one star at the end. As usual, you are having one score range also. You can have a score range how they behave, and the behavioral setting is there. You please play around and then check it out. Test to override and translation also is there. The KBWare setting is there. Enable retry, you can remove it. Enable show solution, you can remove it. And text to override and translations are also there. You can take any other language other than English, but we don't want it now. For now, click save. Now after saving it, it gives you an option to either to edit or to view it. I am viewing it now. Now whatever you have given, they are shuffled on the right hand side. A triangle with all sides equal is called equilateral triangle. The child will drag and put it over here. The triangle with any two sides equal is called isosceles triangle. Triangle with all sides unequal is called scalene triangle. And the last one left one is right triangle. After a child has done it, he will press the check. Then he will get all correct, 4 out of 4 or 3 out of 4, 2 out of 4, whatever will be. Okay, now I have already saved it. Okay, now you can edit it also. You can add some more. If you want to edit it, you can add some more words or sentences over it because already there. Okay, already we have typed 4. You can add it, and you want to do any changes you can make, and once again you have to do the savings. Whatever you have saved, you know that you will get it in the my account. Whatever you have saved, it will be shown on the my account. For example, when you click it over here, now whatever the URL comes here, you can share it with the children and they can do it in their browser. Now what you have to do now, that is your job now. Let us start. Create an interactive drag the word exercise. Now you see the difference between the fill in the blanks and this drag out exercises. They are nothing but the blanks only, but for the blanks the words are given in a shuffled way. The children are dragging it and putting it in the correct spot and then checking whether they are right. The remaining chapters will continue in the upcoming videos.